to household cleaners and to leave unprotected from harmful elements like UV and oxidation. The Armor All Original Protectant, Cleaning, and Glass Wipes 3-pack bundle is a great way to keep your car clean and protected. Cleaning wipes lift dirt and debris, revealing your car's rich, natural beauty. These wipes are meticulously engineered for your car's special needs and won't dry out, damage, or fade automotive surfaces. They're great for your car's dashboard, vinyl, fabric, carpet, consoles, leather, and more. Protectant wipes help keep your car's surfaces looking like new. The original Protectant formula fights fading, aging, and cracking to help protect plastic, rubber, and vinyl from UV damage. Glass Wipes ammonia-free formula delivers spotless, sparkling glass with amazing clarity and shine, with no streaking or hazing. These wipes work great both on the inside and outside of your windows. This 3-pack wipe bundle helps keep your car clean and protected, all with the ease and convenience of a disposable wipe, perfect for on-the-go messes. And the Moisture Lock lid guarantees the wipe will stay moist when closed properly. Clean, shine, and protect with Armor All.